You probably clicked on this video and wondered like, what the heck is this? Kind of just like ruined Fortnite for me, because now there's girls that are making makeup tutorials based off of Fortnite. We all know Fortnite based on, you know, all the guys' Snapchat stories. Oh, #1 victory royal. I'm not making fun of you guys. No, I tried Fortnite as well. I suck, but I wanted to, you know, make a video of a Fortnite inspired makeup tutorial because this is what I do best. I do makeup best. Why not just, you know, do a little twist on Fortnite and just make it a tutorial? I pretty much used all the 4 colors of Fortnite on my face today. Everyone is raving about Fortnite. This is like the new thing now. It's literally the new freaking Minecraft of the world. It's literally taking over the world. Even Drake plays it. Yeah, so this is pretty much what I did. You'll just have to keep watching to find out how this all came to be. Let's just get right into this. Alright guys, so pretty much I already did like my foundation and concealer and powder because I felt like that's not really important for this Fortnite inspired makeup tutorial. Oh my god, what am I doing? I always talk about it at school. I'm like, okay, what's pretty much the hype about this game? So I did some of my research and I downloaded it on my PC that I took out of the closet that we never used. And I mean, it's pretty fun, not gonna lie. Yeah, so I decided, hey, why not me just do what I do best and do a makeup tutorial on Fortnite because obviously I'm not a gamer. Yeah, like I said before, I already have my base down, so I'm gonna go straight into the eyes. So here's the deal. I'm pretty much using the color scheme from when I looked up Fortnite on Google, and there's this one picture I showed up right here, and it has green, blue, and white, and purple. Those are gonna be the main 4 colors that I'm gonna be basing my look off of. I'm gonna zoom you guys up a little bit. I'm really sorry, just you don't wanna see this much of ugliness, but I don't know how you're gonna see this far. Yeah, I'm sorry, this is really ugly view. Okay, I already did my eyebrows, like I said. Now I'm gonna prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I feel like this is just gonna like ruin Fortnite for everybody because they're like, wow, people are actually making tutorials, makeup tutorials off of this game. Now like everyone will hate it because of me. So I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35B palette. So yeah, so I'm gonna go into a blue first with a very, very light hand because this could turn really ugly very, very quickly. And that cannot happen right now, okay? It's gonna happen. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, this blue one. While I was thinking of this video idea, I pretty much like asked all my friends that I knew that played Fortnite, and I'm like, hey, what are the main colors of Fortnite? And they said, the main colors are, like they said what I said before, and they said just make sure they're not like dark colors, make sure they're like neon colors. So that's why I'm trying to make it as neon as possible. That's what I'm aiming for, but usually everything I aim for in my life goes wrong. So, don't expect much here. So I'm just taking some of that on my fluffy brush and I am just gonna blend it into the crease a little bit. Alright, so I look like a freaking Smurf and I look crazy. So I'm gonna go into a darker blue in the Morphe 35B just to kind of, just a little bit, just a little itty bitty bit. I'm gonna take the one all the way at the top right here. I'm just gonna take the smallest bit and kind of just blend it underneath. Like I can't do that much or I'll literally just ruin the look because like I said, you know, it needs to be more neon than anything. Alright, so now I got the blue over with for now. I'm gonna go in now with the purple, a little bit lower than that blue, just so I can try to start that gradient a bit. So I'm gonna go in with this lighter purple right here to start off and try to just blend that right underneath. Because we need that gradient, you know? We just need that gradient. Oh yeah, that's what it is. That's how it's gonna be. Now, I'm gonna go in with that darker purple right there and just deepen it up even more. Even more. I'm gonna freaking fail it. I'm just gonna deepen up that purple even more because this is not dark enough for the purple because it needs to stand out a little bit more. There's more blue than purple right now. So So I'm taking an even more detailed brush and taking that same color and just deepen that outer corner up. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Okay, it's turning out a lot better than I expected. Alright, now I packed that on. I'm just going to take a smaller brush again and just blend it out into the crease. So I got this, okay, it looks kind of stupid right now. So right now we got this top lid done for now. I'm going to wait till I do the shimmers because I want to do the under lash line thing first before I do that, just to see how everything comes together. I'm going to go into this shade right here in this palette. This palette's turning out really good for me. I'm just going to take it on this very smudgy cosmetics brush. I'm just gonna smudge that in the lower lash lines. Okay. So I'm gonna try to smudge that out even further because I don't think it's popping as much as I want it to. Just kind of make it go further out to have a more smoky look. Okay, so I got the under eye as perfect as I want it to be. It's very, very neon. I didn't want to darken up even more because I don't think it would, you know, it would just not be neon anymore. It would just be very smoky, and that's not what I'm trying to go for. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with I can't speak, the Magic by Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Zuba. All right, and it's a very duochrome purple blue, and I think it'll go really well with the look. Okay, oh yeah, that's it. That's it right there. Okay, so, oh my god, I love that! I think I'm gonna add a little, okay, should I add the glitter or not? Takes this a little bit, just add that to the top. Now there's freaking glitter all under my eyes and on my forehead because glitter goes everywhere. I'm gonna brush that off real quick. Okay, it's still there. The last thing I wanna do is the inner corner highlight, and since I said I wanted a little bit of a yellow, why not just do a little bit of yellow? I'm gonna do like a shimmery yellow inside the inner corner. So I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade right here, right above that yellow. It's like a yellow shimmer. You just can't see it in the camera, I don't think. But it's very shimmery and it's yellow. And I'm gonna just pack that in the corner. Hopefully this doesn't suck. Alright, so this is the final eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go on to okay, I wanted to do white eyeliner, but I mean, I feel like this is already so bold enough. I don't really need the white eyeliner. So now I'm gonna go into mascara. This is like the pretty much the final eyeshadow look, but mascara kind of puts everything together. And you guys really don't want to see me put on mascara, so I will be right back. So I zoomed you guys back out now, finally. You don't want to see this anymore. I'm gonna go on to some bronzer now, and I'm gonna go with, of course, my Hoola Benefit bronzer, because I don't really need to change bronzer for this look. So I'm gonna just use it as a bronzer and a contour. I'm gonna contour my face a bit just to have a little bit of warmth because I look like a literal ghost right now. So I got that bronzer on. Now I'm gonna go into a little bit of blush. Like I said before, I don't really need to change anything for blush either. Oh, where's my blush? Okay, there it is. I'm gonna put some blush on. This is the Tarte blush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of a stippler blush and. Alright, so now I'm really excited for this part. This is a highlighter, and I have this like duochrome highlighter palette that I got in my box on. This is the Naked Cosmetics. Oh my god. So they have so many different duochrome shades. They're all very, very that. So I could go with many different shades. I could go with the green, I could go with the blue, I could go with the purple, I could go with a yellow. Since like the green doesn't show up that much and purple's already a really big factor, I'm gonna go with the green. I'm gonna take just my regular highlighter brush, just the green right here. I haven't really used this that much though. Okay, yeah, that looks good. That doesn't look green on camera, I don't think, but sorry, but it is, so. Holy crap, it's so freaking blinding, okay. So, I'm putting way too much on. I didn't know how pigmented this was. Okay, so I got that green highlighter on. Now, finally, for the lips, the final event of the night. This is the Milani it's gonna be really hard. Hypnotic Lights lip topper, and this is in the shade 05. I also have my Jeffree Star lipstick. It looks like a different purple, but I think this, because since I'm putting this on the top, it will kind of just not show through as much, so that's why I want to use this, just kind of like a base. But I don't mess this up because it's like a really dark color. I'm gonna put this on the lips first, and then after it dries, I'm gonna put this lip topper on. Alright, so I got that lipstick on now, and now I'm gonna finally go on with that lip topper. Oh my god, I really don't know what to expect. This is so pretty though. Oh my god. Finally, last thing. I'm losing my voice, what the heck? This is the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I'm gonna... Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this very different, weird video. I mean, I think this came out really, really cool. Something I've really never done before, never done this combination, and it actually is really pretty. I'm gonna work more on my Fortnite skills now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already for more videos like this. Let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see, like what other video suggestions and stuff like that. I would love to hear you guys' ideas. And what else is there to say? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, you know, like always. And yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. 3, 2, 1.